Good morning guys, it's another beautiful day. I'm Leni, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still in Portugal, in Peniche actually right now, because we decided to do a day trip to Peniche and I want to show you guys around and show you the city a bit. And I know they have it was a former castle and now it's a prison, the fortress of Peniche. I wanted to show you guys this one first because I think it has a very interesting story and history. Yeah, so we will visit the prison. It used to be a prison, and then we will check out what to do next, and we will see the beautiful sand dunes of Peniche. And yes, I'm excited to show you guys around, so stay tuned. So we just arrived at the prison and guess who's here with me again? Leona and Terry. I'm so glad to spend time with you guys. It's amazing, thank you. Okay, so now we will enter the prison and see what's inside. I'm excited to see. To show my bite. Guys, I got bitten by a wasp the other day, a few days ago, and it's swollen like this. You can see the wasp was biting here, and my feet is so big. It's crazy and red. I have another bite here, but this one is not so bad. So this building is the prison, right?
Yes.
Yes, and we are just walking around to check the outside first, and then we will enter the museum inside.
Yes.
It's very interesting. Oh, what's that? Toilets? Look at the toilets.
Yeah.
Let me
This
show
was
them.
the toilet.
The poop was just falling into the
Ocean.
ocean.
Go on, relieve yourself. Don't hold back.
No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
It's the bathroom.
Yes, yes.
Let's do a good picture of it. This is the poop holes. These are poop holes. You can see the water down there.
that's interesting. This was maybe for a watchman, right?
Yeah.
Are we going inside the museum now?
Yeah.
So guys, now we're entering the museum. It's a National Museum of Resistance and Freedom here in Portugal. It's basically about the people who fought for freedom and democracy here in Portugal. And yes, I'm excited to enter and show you guys around. So stay tuned and enjoy the history with me. Guys, this is the church, the chapel for the prisoners, or it used to be. And yes, the view is actually amazing. You can see the ocean, but it's a bit cloudy. Yeah, so now we'll enter. So now we're inside of the National Museum of Resistance and Freedom in Portugal. It's located in the Peniche fortress. It's a former military installation from the 16th century. During the dictatorship in Portugal, it used to be a political prison, and now it's an important symbol of the Portuguese resistance during that time. I think it's very important to deal with the history of a country, and this museum is remembering and giving tribute to those people who were fighting for democracy and freedom in Portugal. So that's it with the prison and the Museum of Resistance and Freedom. I just wanted to show you guys a glimpse. We took our time to go through all the history and the politics. I think it has a really important historical and political background, and it's important to get to know the history and the politics of a country. Yes, but on my YouTube channel I will not be able to address this topic in the right way, so I'm just giving you a small insight of the prison and the museum. And yeah, if you're interested, you should definitely go and check it out and read more about the history. I think it's very important to deal with these topics. And yeah, but I hope you enjoyed so far, and now I think we'll go and take some lunch. We will do a picnic. Guys, we're ready for the picnic. I have my things here, and Leona prepared some sandwiches. They're there in front, and look at these sand dunes. Look how gorgeous, how beautiful. And we will have a picnic at the beach. The waves are really high.
Yeah.
Let's have a picnic. Oh, Leona prepared some sandwiches. Let me open it and show you guys. And we have some banana bread, fresh banana bread. Oh, yours is already open. Let me show them. Looks delicious. Yes, so we'll enjoy our sandwich now with a beautiful view. And my foot is still swollen. I feel like it's getting worse, but it's gonna be fine. Very good. Thank you for preparing this.
You're welcome.
Guys, my foot is swollen so much, it's swelling more and more and more. We're putting some ice. I hope it will help. Maybe I shouldn't walk a lot. Or maybe I should walk in the ocean a bit. That's so beautiful, right?
Yeah. Beautiful sand dunes.
I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it.
Good.
Can I go up there?
Yeah. You don't go high enough. Yay! Look at you. Wow.
Beautiful, very beautiful. A really beautiful picnic between the sand dunes at the beach. It was so nice. It was a bit cold, but I went to the ocean, of course, to dip my feet in the water, and with the wasp bite it was really helping a lot to cool down my feet a bit. And yes, I love the sand dunes, I love the ocean. I was enjoying it a lot, and now we are continuing our journey a bit. We want to explore some rocks, and yes, I'm excited to see them. Oops. Guys, we just arrived and it's so foggy. It's been foggy the whole day. I don't know why it's so foggy here. I don't know if you can see well, but it's very, very, very gorgeous here. I like it. Just a bit cold. Guys, it's so foggy. I wish you could see well, but it's very, very beautiful here.
Don't go any further, Lenny.
Stay there.
Yeah, you stay there. Don't go any further, please.
The waves are so high, right?
Yes. It can wash you over.
I saw the waves are really high here. Actually, there are a lot of people coming here to surf. I like it.
Lenny, please don't go any further.
I'm not going further.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's time to go home, right? We made a short stop here so we can check out these rocks and show you guys around because these rocks are really stunning. This one looks amazing. It's huge. So guys, that's it for today. I had a very beautiful day. We did a nice picnic. We visited the prison. Unfortunately, because of my foot, I couldn't walk a lot. I wanted to walk down the beach, but I was resting while Leona and Terry did a walk. And yes, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful nature as much as I do. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!